If I had waited for another month or so, I would have been dead. My aortic valve was damaged. I met with the team at St. Michael's who educated me about the procedure, explained what it involves and answered all my questions. The procedure really went on very well. The doctors were excellent. I had the cardiac rehab for 3 months just to build me up and strengthen my heart. I have a new valve and I'm active and exercise daily and I go to work. I'm fortunate enough to be alive to be around, and especially to attend my daughter's wedding. So it has been a wonderful experience for me. They have wonderful staff, wonderful doctors. I would highly recommend anyone to consider St. Michael's.